Hello again, fragrance fam. Fall is definitely in the air here at AFI, but so is upcoming cold weather, constant washing, and daily wear on our hands. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a thick, nourishing hand cream with a festively sweet fragrance that we love. Our version of Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow by Bath & Body Works. We start with two phases, a water phase with humectants to pull in moisture, and an oil phase full of plant-based oils that have a cushiony, protective feel. Both get gently heated until everything is melted and ready to combine. Measure them all out using a precise lab or kitchen scale so you can get your hand cream perfect down to the gram. In one heat-safe mixing container, heat the distilled water, vegetable glycerin, and allantoin. Allantoin is a super popular ingredient in skin and hair care that's super soothing and helps keep our skin barrier protected, and it dissolves nicely in water. In another container, heat the emulsifying wax, cetearyl alcohol, shea butter, avocado oil, and fractionated coconut oil. By using a generous amount of shea butter in this formula, the cream will be thicker and richer than a regular lotion, making it perfect for your hands. Once the oil ingredients are melted, remove both phases from the heat. They should be around 140 degrees and within about 10 degrees of each other before blending them. Combine both phases and blend until a pudding consistency. Then switch to stirring with a spatula. As the cream cools below 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you can add the ingredients that really make it special. Provitamin B5 for skin repair, vitamin E oil for the antioxidants, and a preservative to keep it microbe-free. And don't forget our take on Bath & Body Works Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow Fragrance Oil. This scent is sweet, but with a touch of autumnal whimsy. Definitely perfect for keeping spirits high as the months get colder. Continue stirring until the container is no longer warm to the touch. It'll still be a little runny, which will make it easy to pour into your packaging. This recipe makes just over 13 ounces, enough for several cosmetic jars or squeeze bottles. It's also super easy to scale up if you're getting your products ready for the busy fall season. Leave the caps or lids off while the lotion cools to room temp to prevent condensation buildup. A day after pouring, it'll be a nice creamy consistency. And that's it! A luxurious hand cream designed to comfort even the driest skin with added ingredients that make for great label appeal. Let me know if you try this formula out or if there are any other products you'd like to see us make in our next videos. Stay tuned to see more of our favorite fall fragrances in action. Until then, thanks so much for watching, Fragrance Fam.